Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. We're talking about filament today, and in particular we're talking about three amazing Christmas colors from AzureFilm. I woke up this morning and I told myself I need to do the video before the spools finish and you have nothing to show. So let's roll the intro and let's talk about them. Before getting into the review, big shout out to Giuseppe. He runs an Instagram page called 3D Printol. If you're in lack of creativity, if you have like the creativity block, go and visit Giuseppe's page. You will find beautiful content, amazing content that will boost your creativity. He talks about 3D printing. He talks about application of electronics to 3D printing. He recently created a curing box for resin prints. He did that from scrap, printing all the plastic parts and assembling all the electronics. I find that mind-blowing. Go pay Giuseppe a visit. All the links will be down in the description. When I watch filament reviews on YouTube, I always want to skip forward and see how the prints came out. You've seen a little peek at the beginning. Before that, I want to just tell you that AzureFilm is a Slovenian company based in Cesana, very close to the Italian border, so totally European filament. And I love the way they prepare their spools, and I love the quality that they deliver to the customer. I love the fact that every box has a sticker, so if I have them one on top of the other, I know exactly what filament I'm searching for and it's easy to find it. I love the way they spool it. I mean, they have long history on spooling and they are really great company, and their quality price relation is one of the best one I've found so far. Let's get to the three colors I have today and I want to show you. I call them Christmas colors because I'm printing all my Christmas decoration with them, and it's three colors I want to talk to you about. The first one I open is this Pla Champagne color. All three of these filament have a little bit of a sparkle. I don't know where that comes from, but it's really nice. And at the end I will show you a piece I've printed. It took me 3 days and I used all three of these color for one print. The second spool I've opened is the PLA Anthracite, which is a sparkling gray, and as you can see it's nearly finished. I mean, I've printed so much, probably never happened in a review before that I've used so much for a review. I'm nearly getting to the end, and this is a black, Galaxy Black, the other color, the third color I was telling you about. All three of them make a perfect match and they're beautiful. If you print three different pieces with three different color, they look amazingly together. I've tested these filaments with two different printers, with the CR10 Smart, which I've fixed, and now it's an amazing printer and it's working great, and with my little daughter here, the Sidewinder X1, which is an amazing printer. Both of them, temperature was perfect, around 212 degrees, with the bed at 60 degrees. So I didn't have any issue at all using those settings. I've printed also in base mode, pushing it, even though I had the nozzle 0.4 nozzle, pushing it at 0.8, no issue whatsoever, and I'll show you the prints in a moment. First print at all I did as soon as I opened the Champagne PLA filament was this vase. This was printed with the CR10 Smart, and results, as you can see, are not bad at all. I love the fact that it has this little sparkling that I honestly don't know where it comes from. I think it's a little bit silky. This champagne leaves a little bit of silk. Using the champagne, I tried something harder. I tried this lion here, lion head. All the links for these pieces will be down in the description for your reference. This is Black Cat, very nice model on my mini factory. It's like there's lots of details. Don't know if I can let you pick them up. Other vases, I was testing the CR10 Smart, that they look really nice. Second filament I've opened was the Anthracite. I was very curious to try an Anthracite filament. I never had tried before, and let me see if I can give you a close-up of this. There's sparkle in a metallic gray, and that's an effect that reflects on the prints in a way that wasn't expected. This is probably one of the best filament Materacker mascot I've ever printed. It actually has space colors and it looks like a real proper astronaut. Having this sparkling effect makes everything you print unique. I mean, and it gives it a touch that not regular PLA has. I don't know if you can see how this vase is shining and reflecting with the natural light coming from the window, but it really looks good. Of course, Christmas is coming and I'm starting to print something that can go in my living room. My kids loved it. This is a Anthracite gray PLA. This is a standard silk gold from Azure. I wanted to print it in Champagne, but all my printers were busy printing with the other filaments. But it turned out really nice, and that sparkling effect is something that you don't see often on a PLA print. Last but not least is the Galaxy Black PLA. This is another vase from Ivan, really great artist. All the links to his page will be down in the description. His art name, his AKA is Kawafat Company. Again, all the links will be down in the description. He designs amazing vases and I love them. I mean, I have an entire collection in my living room and they all look great. I mean, it gives a modern touch to my classic living room and I like it. So this Galaxy Black is something you don't see often. If someone would ask me what color is that, I would not say black. I would say like deep. It actually reminds you of the space. So the color, the name of the color is really adequate. I mean, I would have called it Galaxy or Space Black or something like that. The last piece I want to show you is something I'm really proud of. It's a print that took 3 days. Again, links to this file will be down in the description. It's an organizer for your desk. It's called the Engineer Designer, but it really met all the requirements that I wanted on a desk organizer, and it's this one. This organizer here has everything. I'm waiting for the MagSafe to arrive. Amazon should deliver today. This goes here, your phone goes here and clack. You're charging your phone. You have pencil holder or tools for your 3D printing. All the hard drives where I store footage of the videos I shoot. Some, like, you know, space here to put your meter or some spares, caliber place, and what I love is USB SD, micro SD allotments here, which makes this very unique. I mean, I think that the designer of this piece got all inputs from different places and put them all together in one design. As you can see here, I switched. This is just a base printed separately. This started printing, then up to a point I didn't want to use all the black, the Galaxy Black, and I started printing with the Anthracite and went all up with the Anthracite, and then printed All the insert you see here and the base, I printed it in the Champagne PLA, and it turned out amazingly. It has drawers here that you can open and put stuff in. I mean, it takes a long time, but this is an amazing piece to put on your desk and keep there. It looks amazing. I say amazing too many times, but when I say it, I mean it. I mean, this is probably one of the longest print I've ever done in my life, and one of the, you know, most useful thing I've ever printed. Again, AzureFilm is a great company. If you want to buy AzureFilm filaments, all the links will be down in the description. Use the code Alessandro10 to have an extra 10% discount, but remember that the discount of the 10% doesn't apply to the stuff that's already discounted, so that will not work. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.